COVID-19 has infected well over 19 million Americans and counting. December marks the deadliest month for this virus in the U.S. More than 63,000 lives lost. And projections for January are not looking good.
I think we just have to assume that it's going to get worse. You know, we're between 100 and 200,000 new infections each day. You know, there was a period at the worst part of December when it was over 200,000. I hope we don't just get to that level of continually seeing over 200,000.
Just over 2 million Americans have received their first vaccine dose. Numbers the country's top infectious disease expert says are much lower than they hoped.
We certainly are not at the numbers that we wanted to be at the end of December. You heard talking about 40 million doses for 20 million people. I mean, even if you undercount, 2 million is an undercount. How much undercount could it be? So we are below where we want to be.
Ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
The vice president-elect vaccinated in Washington. 56-year-old Kamala Harris receiving her first dose of the Moderna vaccine on live television.
That was easy.
As a way of bolstering public confidence.
Thank you.
And amid hundreds of Floridians 65 and older lining up to be vaccinated Tuesday, emotional admissions. The vaccine offers more than protection from a virus.
It means seeing my grandkids a lot. Yeah, it means everything. See our kids. We haven't seen our kids since January, February, so it's nice.
Hopefully having a life like everyone. We've, not been near our family. We have a little granddaughter, and he's over 70, diabetic. We thought, like everyone, this is a life or death vaccine.
The good Lord protected me all through the service.
And the oldest known American to receive a dose of the vaccine, a 102-year-old World War II veteran.
I'm just thankful that I made it all through the war and had a normal life.
As vaccinations continue around the globe, the World Health Organization now says while the COVID-19 pandemic has been severe, it's not necessarily the big one when considering other emerging diseases. But good news, we are learning how to do things better, and that growth will help us in the future. Megan Robinson, City News.